I did not expect this. Disappointed Pro Max. We were the challenger fears of heights. हम दोनों हाइक कर रहे हैं एंड दिस पर्सन दिस बडी इज जॉइनिंग अस एज आवर पर्सनल गाइड. हम दोनों की फट रही है. सुनीता सुलेखा. उसके कंपैरिजन में दिस इज लाइक it is not worth the hike that we did. Okay, let's go. I'm going to explore the real essence of God's own country, from the misty mountains of Wayanad to the golden cliffs of Varkala. So join me in this adventure and I'll take you through a different side of Kerala. So welcome to the first episode. This is our dorm room. That's my bed. That's the washroom with a beautiful view and a mirror. आज Women's Day है and how we are celebrating Women's Day is by traveling with five boys in a jeep to Edakal Caves. Like, wow, sorry mom. But this was fun. Like, literally 5 strangers on the first day of our trip. We are at Edakal Caves and to the ticket counter itself it was quite a hike, like 1 kilometer types, and 50 per person is a ticket. And अब और चढ़ाई है to the caves. और मंकी आ रहा है सो मैं पीछे अंदर रख रही हूँ. बाय बाय. बाप रे, दम नहीं. This is the downfall. Climb down stairs and this is the view. भाई साहब, मजा आ गई. Almost 1 घंटा ट्रैक करने के बाद we reached this place. It's a cave, of course. It's the Edakal Caves and यहाँ पे carvings है, but I mean I have seen Elephanta, Ajanta and all. तो उसके comparison में this is like it is not worth the hike that we did for like so long. I don't recommend you this caves if you're in Wayanad. But here it was like just a cave and with scriptures that are carvings that are 7,000 years old and stuff. But maybe for a history buff you might understand and interpret this place better. But for me it wasn't exciting. So yeah, if you are like me then I would not recommend this place in Wayanad. Don't waste your 3-4 hours because to travel to this place itself It takes like 1.5 hours, so don't waste your time here. Instead, there are a lot of things to do in Wayanad, so I would show you in the as the video goes. केरला आए एंड बनाना चिप्स नहीं खाया एंड नहीं लिया तो ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है ना. इट केरला ट्रिप इज़ इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट हैविंग बनाना चिप्स. सो ऑन आवर वे टू व्हाट इज दिस एडिकल केव वी सॉ दिस person making live banana chips fresh, एकदम fresh, and we could smell the smell of coconut oil. So यहाँ से जाते समय we saw, and now on our way back down we bought many packets of banana chips because यहाँ का banana chips is the OG, so you have to buy if you're in Kerala. One thing I love about this hostel is this cutie. There are a lot of cuties here. देखो वहाँ पे भी दो बच्चे, दो कुत्ते बैठे हैं और एंड में भी एक है. लाइफ चाहिए तो ऐसे चाहिए. हाय. So yeah, that one is awake. If Kerala is God's own country, then Wayanad is the adventure god. And today I am at Muddy Boots to experience the longest zip line in South India, which runs over here. You can see it starts from here all the way down. And if you are scared of heights, this is where you can challenge it, and I'm going to do that today. I'm going to challenge my fear of heights, and this is close to flying, so let's go. We are going to challenge our fears of heights. I'll leave my... While landing. come to the tea museum, and this 2 floors, and there's a tasting cafe in the top. So it has like nice history about teas. So let's explore. Bali is famous for its ATV rides in the tea estates, so why not bring it to India? We are here in Wayanad to try ATV ride in the tea estates. So let's experience Bali style ATV here in India.
Press.
हाय गाइस, सो आज हमारा चेकआउट है, बट हम लोग वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सपीरियंस टी प्लकिंग बिकॉज लास्ट 2 days छुट्टी था. So today the hostel person told that they are doing now, so if you want to go you can go and have a look how they do, and hopefully we get to do it ourselves, like they teach us how to do it and experience how it is to be a local in Wayanad. So अभी 1 किलोमीटर का हाइक है. It is on the way to Chemra Peak. So this is one advantage of staying at hostel. That is why I like hostel, because they have a bunch of activities, plus they have a lot of contacts, like local contacts. So I knew that I wanted to do this. It was on my bucket list, but इधर आके मुझे पता था कि हो जाएगा, in spite of having no prior contact, but they have people around here. So we are going now where they do the tea plucking. So let's go and live a day like a local. हम दोनों हाइक कर रहे हैं, and this person, where is this buddy is joining us as our personal guide. Cutie, come here. It's leading our way and protecting us. हम दोनों के लिए. So ऐसे क्यूट गाइड हो तो और क्या चाहिए ज़िंदगी में. हाय. My പേര് സുലേഖ. സുനിത. സുലേഖ.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ತಮಿಳ್ ಕುಟ್ಟಿಗಳು.
Twist and bend and pluck.
Which one?
This is the plucking point. You bend first. Okay.
This one?
Bend. First you bend, then pluck out.
Behind me is the plantation, the nursery, bamboo nursery, and there are lots of bamboo trees and the watering stuff. Right opposite is the place where you can buy bamboo products, and they have a variety of them and it's so pretty. And they also have people who are making the bamboo products. So if you're in Wayanad, please visit this. It's a offbeat thing, but you need to support the locals. You can also do a little workshop they conduct. You can make a bamboo bangle by yourself. It takes about 1.5 hours in total, and it's 1,000 per head. So you can call, or they have a website. I'll link it in the. I'll put the link in the description, and you can book it, and they'll call the artisans accordingly, and you can try your hands on the bamboo. Imagine waking up to this beautiful view, completely surrounded by nature, but yet feels like a luxury hideout. Welcome to Zostel Plus Wayanad, where adventure meets comfort. There are a bunch of activities that Zostel Plus organizes, like ATV rides, bicycle tours in the morning and evening. You can inquire at the reception desk, and it is completely surrounded by the tea plantation, so it's a beautiful property. It's a luxury property, but the dorms are like dorms only. There's no like, it's not luxury enough, the dorm bit, but the rooms are quite good. And there's a hammock, there's a swing, there's this hut with this beautiful view. The locals are really helpful, and even the person at the reception desk, Prince Cheta, he's also quite helpful and sweet, and he helped us with a lot of things. So even today we went for tea plucking in the morning, so he helped us reach the place and talk to the locals, and we also tried plucking the leaves and stuff. So I think it's a really beautiful property if you want to stay in Wayanad. It's a bit off-road, but you have to either get your own vehicle here, or you will have to hire a auto or a jeep. They will arrange that also for you. So everything is far from this property, but the property, if you are coming for a staycation, then the property is beautiful. So yes. Wayanad had given me local experiences, adventure, and some of the most beautiful landscapes I had seen so far. But the journey wasn't over yet. Next, we are heading to explore Kerala's southern coast.